On Thursday last week, Deputy SOE Controller Dr. Paisen Dakulala had announced that 4 new cases of COVID-19 had been detected, all 4 being members of the Central Public Health Laboratory who have been working on identifying and testing for COVID-19. Those 4 cases bring in last week's total to 15, but over the weekend, 2 more cases brought to light, the second of which has caused confusion since the patient died from multiple organ failure as a result of breast cancer. The title of that statement, PNG confirms 17th positive case, announcing a case and then advising of her death from complications. It has left much to be desired from the front line of PNG's COVID-19 defense mechanism. It isn't the first time that poorly presented information disseminated to the public has had the nation concerned. The Prime Minister himself had come under fire for the manner in which the first case had been announced via social media, and Health Minister Jalto Wong has received the same flack for sometimes seemingly offhand remarks. Papua New Guinea's first confirmed case was announced on the 20th of March. 2 days after that, the nation went into absolute lockdown. And considering that NCD alone has recorded 6 in the last week, it does come as somewhat of a surprise that a decision on another SOE being declared in the nation's capital is still pending. On the 27th of March, Jayapura, the capital of the Papua province west of Papua New Guinea, recorded its first positive case. Since then, their numbers have ballooned, with Indonesia as a whole hitting an 80,000 case record. It's in stark contrast to PNG's comparatively minuscule numbers, but still largely a concern, especially considering the state of PNG's health system and the level of preparedness in contending with this pandemic. The government, through the SOE Controller and the Command and Control Center, had earlier this year stated that it would be around July and August that numbers were expected to rise. What isn't expected is the manner in which this information is being passed on to the people of the country. Information on contact tracing has been stated, but not the actual figures, and at present, the status of other positive cases who are in recovery are still pending. More questions than answers. Jeremy Mogi, National TV News.